Now let us discuss about a different type of I-type proposition. Generally, what do we know as I-type proposition? Some tables or fans is an I-type proposition. The same has been modified as some tables or fans can be reworded as a few tables or fans. Mostly tables or fans. A very few tables or fans, and so on. All these terms are to be considered as some only. All these form I-type proposition. Now, let us see the variance in the I-type proposition. Instead of giving it as some, it may be given as "45 girls are dancers, 99% of boys are players." Just because 1% has been left out, we cannot think this to be a very definite exception, because 1% in 100 is 1. 1% in 1000 will be 10. We do not know which is accepted as 1 or 10. We do not know that. So, 99% of boys are players means some boys are players. Whatever may be the number in this percentage, it has to be taken as some only. Similarly, any number can be here. It may be 1045, it may be just 5, it can be anything, but it has to be treated as only some. Whatever may be the number here, it is treated as some only, that is, it is an I-type proposition. Next is the I-type proposition which is going to have a double negative in the statement. For example, scarcely tables are not fans. Rarely tables are not fans. Seldom tables are not fans. These words combined with not gives a double negative effect, and so these are to be considered as the next type in the same I-type of proposition is a positive statement with an exception which is not definite is to be treated as an I-type statement. For example, all tables except those in class 1 are fans. We do not know how many exactly will be in class 1. Even though it is an exception, this is not a very definite exception, and so this has to be treated as an I statement only. Similarly, all boys except those in class 10 are sportsmen. We do not know exactly how many boys are going to be in class 10. So, these type of statements which do not have a specific definite exception are to be treated as I. That is, some tables are fans, and here some boys are sportsmen. All these are I type of statement, though it is starting with the word all. This being combined with the exception which is not definite is to be treated as an I type of statement.